What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. I want to solve this trigonometric equation in this video, which is 3 cosine theta times sine squared theta minus cosine theta equals to 0. And we need to solve it for theta when theta is changing from 0 to 2 pi. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to solve it by factoring. So I'm going to factor cosine theta first. When I factor cosine theta, it will be 3 sine squared theta minus 1 equals to 0. Then I need to solve it. So it means that when you have it in a factored form, it has to be cosine theta equals to 0 or 3 sine squared theta minus 1 equals to 0, which make it sine squared theta equals to 1 over 3. If you isolate it for sine squared, it's going to be 1 over 3. It means that sine theta will be equal to plus minus 1 over root 3. So we have three cases. Case 1, when cosine theta is 0. Case 2, when sine theta is positive 1 over root 3. Case 3, when sine theta is negative 1 over root 3. So case 1 is easy. Cosine theta is 0 and theta is changing from 0 to 2 pi. It means that theta must be pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Why? Because we know from 0 to 2 pi, cosine pi over 2 and cosine 3 pi over 2 is 0. Now, case 2. First of all, I need to find out what is 1 over root 3. That will be 0.577. And then I need to find out the inverse of sine 0.577. That make it around 35 degrees. You know, sine is positive in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 2. So one answer in quadrant 1 is going to be 35 degrees. The second one is going to be 180 minus 35. 180 minus 35 will be 145 degrees. So these are two answers for the second case. Now I want to change it to radian in case you wanted to have it in radian. So I multiply it by pi divided by 180. That make it 0.61 radian. And the second one, 145 times pi divided by 180. That make it 2.53 radian. So these are the two answers for the case 2. Now let's check the case 3. Case 3 is going to be the same thing, but it's going to be on quadrant 4 and quadrant 3. So one answer is going to be 180 plus 35. The other answer is going to be 360 minus 35. 360 minus 35 and 180 plus 35, which will be 145. And here that will be 325. So 145. Sorry, it's gonna be plus, so 215 degrees and 325 degrees. Let me double check. 215, yeah, 360 minus 325 is gonna be 325. Yeah, that's correct. If you want to change it to radian, I need to multiply 315 by pi, which is 3.14. divided by 180, that make it 3.75 radian, and 325 times 3.14 divided by 180, that make it 5.67 radian. So we have 6 answers, 2, 4, and 6. So answers is going to be pi over 2, if I write it in increasing order, it's going to be 0.61, pi over 2, 2.53, 3.75, 3 pi over 2, 5.67. So these are the answers in terms of radian. Now in terms of degrees, it's gonna be 35 degrees, 90 degrees, 145 degrees, 215 degrees, 270 degrees, and 325 degrees. So we have 6 answers for this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave related playlists in the description in case you need extra help and extra practical question. You can take a look to the description part. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends. If you want, you can subscribe to this channel to have access to many other videos regarding math and chemistry. Thank you for watching today and have a great day.